more eruptions. The volcano gives you 3 to 4 years of pressure and then there's no steam left, but these fields are a constant steam. To your left hand side and right hand side are pipes leading hot water to Reykjavik. If you guys are showering today, this is the water coming from. Kind of smells a bit funky. It's sulfur, it's geothermal. Goes straight into heating and showers. That's why the utilities in Iceland are so cheap. I would say 90% of farms and households in Iceland are heated by geothermal waters. Reykjavik, I would say 99%. But yeah, most of the heating is the hot water, which paradoxically back in the days when settlers came till 1100s, the thermal springs were considered evil, so they didn't use them for heating. We're kind of descending into South Coast in front of us, and to about 1 o'clock I can see the coast of Atlantic Ocean, maybe 20 some kilometers out. Down there is a flat stretch of land that used to be ocean's bottom. The South Coast is all flat. We're gonna be almost at sea level all day. They say 10,000 years ago, when the glaciers retreated to the left into the mountains, all of a sudden the ground rose. But the rule of thumb is the ocean level used to be way higher. About half of the mountains that you see to the right used to be underwater.
We're descending now.
That's why down there, the South Coast is the most fertile ground in Iceland.
There's so many waterfalls, eh? Well, there's another one there. Here. Wow, that's a powerful one. They use it for electricity, this one. On our way to South Coast.
Beautiful
This
Iceland.
is beautiful Iceland.
People fishing down there.
Yeah. We have another 45 minutes to South Coast, you know that? Ganda. Oh, private. Guys fishing down there. Caught? Can they get caught? Maybe trout. No, salmon. That's the Iceland. Okay. Call the driver Chris. His name is Chris.